We're on the Isle of Barra at the southern end of the Outer Hebrides, and this is part of the Outer Hebrides fault zone, which was a large continental collision related thrust system. And what you see here, all of this black stuff is frictional melt from a large seismogenic earthquake. And to produce this amount of melt with these very large clasts, which have been ground up during this fault movement, means it was a very large earthquake, maybe a magnitude 8 or more. I'm trying to work out what the movement directions of the fault were and some aspects of the dynamics of fault rupture. The best that we can work out at the moment is that it looks as though the fault plane is running through here like this, basically parallel to the surface. It looks as though the top was moving down, so this was a normal extensional fault. So this isn't during this is not what would be happening during collisional tectonics. But at a late stage, when the mountains have been built, everything starts to gravitationally collapse and stretch, and you do get reversal of the thrust systems into normal faulted systems. That's probably what happened here. When we date the melts in these pseudotachylites, the black bits of the pseudotachylites, they tend to come out with dates which are relatively young compared to the billion or so years ago when the main continent collision was happening out here in the Outer Hebrides. So it's consistent with this late stage gravitational collapse.